job is to be more external facing, right? So the only way for us to be more external facing is to be out of the company, talking to new people, and this is a great forum for that. In summary, I think last time we met at least 5 or 6 key prospective suppliers who had something new to bring, and that was something that I could take into my work stream. I had sessions with my packaging, I had sessions with my innovation, I had sessions in challenging existing suppliers on costs, etc. So as our role, I think the biggest value that we bring is to bring external information inside the company, and this is a great forum for that.
We constantly search for new suppliers. Part of my role, also together with our procurement colleagues, is to develop new suppliers. So also good opportunity here because you have this one-on-one interviews with suppliers. Then it's good to learn and to see new companies. So for me also here, this time I could see different companies that I didn't have contact before. So it's also good to be aware what's around.
So just to see out of the box what else is around, and also to get advantage of different mindset of point of view. So it's always good to have, to be open to new persons, to new people that can help to bring maybe solutions to your priorities.